What's up, everybody? Today it is going to be a special day because today we are going to put on my Valvetronic exhaust in my E46 M3, and in the back, in the trunk, I have my catalyst headers and I have fresh new oil to go with my E46 M3, and I am heading to the shop right now in this rain. So wish me luck. Let's get a cold start, I guess. Yeah, nice start. Starts right up. Alright, so we'll warm her up and then we'll head out. I will give you guys a before and after clips, and we'll do a full video on how the exhaust sounds and what differences it make. Might even dyno it soon, but we'll see how it goes. Right now I'm kind of in a rush to get these on, just because I've been sitting on them since December, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So as you guys can see right now, I'm driving the car and you don't really hear any drone noise. Currently it's running the AC Schnitzer exhaust and I believe stock headers, so we're going to change that. It's going to sound a lot better. I wish I could do a pull right now, but it's kind of raining. So there's no sort of drone in the cabin when I mean a little bit, but it's not that bad. Alright, we're here at the shop and about to drop it off to get the headers, the exhaust change, get an oil change, and then we're going to see how long it'll take. So we'll see the car as soon as it's done, and I'll show you guys the reveal in just a little bit.
One eternity later.
Nope.
Open it again? Or open the trunk?
I forget the trunk is.
So that's where we mounted it.
Okay.
That's where it seemed best. It's out of the way.
Yeah. Other people say they mount it like above there, but
oh really? They
yeah.
put it underneath? No, I thought that was. I figured
if
keep
it
it
works,
inside.
it works. So.
Yeah, it does.
The remote and everything works though, right?
Yeah. The only thing is, I don't know, because it's not super close to it. You might just have to put it closer to your.
Here, start it. I want to hear it. It's dead. Nice. Where this controller is. Alright, so in theory, when we press this button, it should open and close the valve. But what I heard is I can actually, hold on, I can press this button and do it. But we'll figure out that later. Also, do you have the old
Threw it out.
Nah, I know you're kidding. Let's see.
I knew that would get you. Because I know it's worth money.
Oh. There we go.
Any problem?
Is it open? Oh, I can smell the fumes. Oh.
What's the problem? You're not pushing it up. Just think you're hitting 2 buttons at once.
Oh, you're hitting 2? I was pressing 1. That's loud.
Oh yeah, we could rub the motor. Go ahead, rub the motor. Put it down.
Dang.
Literally, you gotta go like this.
Oh, okay. Not a problem.
That's why I saw him doing
it. That's loud.
There you go.
That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad.
You're pulling a mile away. That's what you're gonna put in, right?
Yeah. I could smell it too. More.
There's no new exhaust though.
It's catless.
Exhaust.
Yeah.
New exhaust in the back.
Wow. Damn. Wow. It sounds good though. Okay.
Yeah,
I just got. Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I gotta hear this on the road.
Oh yeah, we're actually driving it. But yeah, you're definitely gonna want to get the tune on it. Did you see how it's loping a little bit?
It's been like that.
Oh really?
Yeah. I don't know what that. This is actually nuts. I don't know if there's a cop. I don't have my radar with me, guys. My first drive. This is nuts. Bro, that is crazy. Isn't that crazy?
So loud.
Oh my god.
Let me record your face right now.
Bro, I've been recording the whole time, bro. It's just crazy.
Oh my god. We're in trouble. Yeah, we're in a lot of trouble.
Ah, it's just stay close.
Yeah. I could hear you when we separated. I could hear you the whole time. The whole time. Every
I thought
time.
that cop was gonna make a U-turn.
No, I didn't think so. Oh god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Stop. 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 Your neighbor's gonna complain. Stop. No more. Turn it off. Oh boy.
Well, that's actually nuts. All right, we'll pick this back up once we get Taylor and Nico's reaction, but.
A few moments later.
So I don't know what's going on. I think it's the ECU that it's not used to it being catalyst and it's just dumping excess fuel, but it's very stuttery. And when I did my research, they said that that's what it is, but I don't even know if I should be driving it right now, but I'm just trying to get a reaction. So let's see.
It's not as fuck.
Did you hear it?
No.
You didn't hear me coming down the street?
No, we're playing music.
Oh.
Wow. Alright, let me hear a little bit. Not too much though.
Hold on.
A little bit.
I loud.
Oh, yours is loud as well.
I told you it was loud.
I ain't gonna lie, it might be louder than my shit.
Probably. Yeah, he's gonna be surprised. Taylor?
Yeah. It sounds so much different.
It does, but it's running really lean right now, and it's like kind of bad.
Just not used to it.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
I need to get the ECU tuned. It's so loud.
Yeah, it's rough. Holy fuck.
Such a gamer. Look at this guy.
He's wearing a hat in the fucking summer.
He has to. Oh! Stall? I lost Matt over there. Matt over there. Bro, my car's not giving power. It keeps cutting. So at that light, I stalled. It wouldn't let me give power.
Wait, at both lights?
Yeah, it cut power. Like I was going to first gear and it just cut power.
You call Razik or Kamal yet?
It's the tune. They're gonna tell me that I need to get it tuned. So I just think it's better off if I just go back to the crib and park it.
being running weird and running fine.
It's just like, it's tweaking out. It's like trying to think, like, oh, like it's missing, we're missing cats. Let's send, it's sucking air in from the cats, from the where the cats are. So it's like giving it, making it run mad weird. Alright, but what do you think of the exhaust though? What do you think of the exhaust?
I like gas. It sounds loud as fuck.
Does it? Louder than your car.
Yeah, I need my shit loud, bro.
I don't think it'll get loud as me.
Probably not. If I get an exhaust, maybe.